Welcome to Crack Defense. In this video, we are going to learn about relative speed. So, let's begin with the first category of it. Bodies moving in same direction. If A is moving in this direction with speed as v1 km per hour and B moving in the same direction with v2 km per hour. So their relative speed would be v1 minus v2 km per hour. Now, if we talk about simple example, two cars, that is A and B, are moving in same direction with 40 km per hour speed and 30 km per hour speed respectively. Then the relative speed of A with respect to B would be, we have to minus it, 40 minus 30, you get 10 kilometers per hour. And now if you want to find distance between A and B after the travel for suppose 5 hours, then we have to just multiply this after 5 hours. We are calculating, so we have to just multiply this 10 km per hour into 5 hours, and that makes it as 50 km. So the difference between them would be 50 km. Now let's talk about another category of it, that is bodies moving in opposite direction. So if speed of body A, which is starting from this point towards this direction, is s1 km per hour, and the other body, that is B2, starts from this direction, it goes with s2 km per hour, then the relative speed would be s1 plus s2 km per hour. Now if we want to find time of their meeting, so it would be very simple, just a simple formula, that is initial distance between them and divided by the sum of their speed. So that makes it here as initial distance, if we are talking about s distance in between them, and you have to just add s1 plus s2 here, and you'll get the final meeting time. Now let's take a simple example. If A is starting from this point, B is starting from this point at same time, that is 10 a.m. and the distance between them is 60 kilometers. Then we have to just put the formula, that is time of meeting will be equal to initial distance between them and it's just divided by sum of their speed. So it becomes, initial distance is here 60 kilometers and the speed for both of them will take it as approximately, we'll think of it as 30 kilometers per hour A is moving and B is moving with 10 kilometers per hour. So it becomes 30 plus 10 and you get it as 30 by 40 and it is approximately 1.5 hours. So that is, both will meet at 10 a.m. they started plus 1.5 hours, that becomes 11:30 a.m. That's it. Thank you.